and we want to go into our environment variables. Click in here. And on this screen here, we're going to look to copy and save 3 different environment variables. We're going to do this so that way you can start connecting apps later on. The first one we're looking for here is our Supabase URL. That's listed as service URL Supabase Kong. Go ahead and click the eyeball button here. And then I'm going to copy this and save it somewhere safe. Keep in mind that this is the default URL from Coolify. We're going to set up a custom subdomain with a security certificate later in the video. And if you do that, you'll use your new subdomain as your main Supabase URL going forward. Either way, here in the environment variables, you can always find your current URL. Next, we're going to scroll down here. Then we're going to find service Supabase anon key. Go ahead and click on the eyeball, then copy this, save it as well. And then right underneath this, you're going to find the Supabase service key. Once again, click on that eyeball, copy this, and save it as well. Okay, and with that done, you now have copied and saved the 3 environment variables that you need for connecting apps. And if you ever need to update or change out your environment variables, you'll do it here in this tab.